welcome to the channel. So in this tutorial we will learn about input and output functions in Python. So basically input and output function in Python are very essential for interacting with users and making the programs very dynamic. So in this video we will explore how to use the input function for the user input and the print function to display the output. Okay, so let's start. So first is print. So basically this function is used to display the output on the screen. It's very simple. It just write print and then whatever we want to print we can just put it. Okay, so we have seen print in our previous session also. So let's say you want to print something, hi there, and we can just run it. We will see our output, right? Hi there. So this will basically print on the console. Okay, let's say something else. We have x equal to 10, y equal to 20, and we want to print the result. Okay, so we can write something like the value of x is, okay, then we can print. Okay, and if we want to print both the value x and y is, so we can write x plus y, basically the sum. Okay, if we run this we will get our result. The value of x is 10 and the sum of x and y is 20. Okay, so this is very useful when we debug something in Python. Okay, now how we can format this. So in Python provides us a good way to format our strings. Okay, so let's say we have something called name, okay, equal to John, and age equal to 25. So if we write, let's say we want to print something, my name is John, actually we can do some kind of concatenation here also, like we do in other programming language, and age is y. So here if we try to print, it won't get printed because y is a integer, so we need to convert it basically to the string. Sorry, this name I need to change. Okay, so my name is John and age is 20. This is one kind of formatting which we can do, but this is very hectic. If we have long string, it is very difficult to write like this way, and it won't look easy, means very good. So Python provides another way to format the string. Let's say we need to write first f for formatting, then we can write my name is, and within curly braces we can provide our variable, and age is, again within curly bracket we can provide our variable. So now if we print, see the same thing is printed but in Python way, in a formatted way. So we just need to write f before starting of our string, and then in the curly braces we need to provide our variable. So like this we can format our string. So this is very efficient and it's very readable way to create our formatted string. Okay, next is input function, right? So the input function allows us to take user input during execution. So let's say we want name, but name should come from the user. Okay, so what we can do, we can write input and we can ask user what is your name. Okay, and then we can print, okay, like using formatting hello and then the name. So when we run this program, the program will stuck and it will ask to provide the name. Okay, so let's run it, Now it is asking us to put the name. Let's say we put the name as Mark, and then it will print hello Mark. Okay, so basically it will pause and wait for the user to type something. Okay, and whatever user type, it will store in this variable. Okay, and another thing is, using this input, this is always a string. Okay, this input function always returns a string. Okay, even if you enter the number. So let's say another example, we are asking what is your age, and we can write age is age. Okay, now if we run, so first it will ask for name. Let's say you put the name. Second is ask for age. So how to verify what is, whether it's a string or a number? So we can just print the type of this variable. Using type we will get the exact data type. Now let's run it again. Mark 25. You see, the type is always a string, even though we have provided the number here, but it will take it as a string. Okay, now how we can combine our input and output? So let's say we have number 1 equal to we'll take input this, and we will ask for first number. Then we will ask for second number. Okay, and we want to print take the result equal to num1 plus num2, and then we will print, again formatting. So the sum of num1 and num2 is what? Result. Okay, now there is a problem. One second. First number 23, 21, it is giving us the result as 23, 21, because as we know, whatever we put here, it's a string. So basically it concatenated string 1 plus string 2. To get it work, we need to convert it. Let's say we convert it to float, first number, and then we convert second number also to float. Okay, I'll comment all this. Now if we run this, 21, 23, and now we'll get our result as 44. Okay, so basically we need to convert whatever, if we want to use as an integer or float, we need to convert it from string to float or integer. To convert it to integer, we can use int. We can run this 24, 25, and we get our result 49 as integer, and earlier we got it as floating. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you are now confident using these functions like input and print in Python. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.